cùng còn cái chân hồ bữa tàu trên hám tàu trên đứa trên nhẹ tàu trên hiếu tàu đứa hồ đứa bua ya đứa thì cái quan hệ ở bên lành gì đứa chẳng nông chẳng ngồi hay con trong phải cái sự lành gì việc chú đứa thôi thì không sẽ phút bữa đã cao bua im hoang ở anh ấy hay chú việc là sao chi buaเป็นของต่อยเป็นวิญญาณเป็นผู้ยังchú anh ấyยังsao chi bua anh ấy chú kinh long hay lành gì vậy năm cứ chăm con phải con gì nói con kia ha thì lành gì bây giờ chú chăm chăm nhé là thôi luôn rằng sẽ không phân bố con nhiều chăm chăm nhé tài đua lồng như chỉ là thôi chứ ngoài luôn rằngกันใช้ส่วนคนบัวชิ้นหวานๆส่วนบัวใต้อย่าแป้งอ่อนส่วนอย่างคุณที่กินยมแต่อ่อนส่วนเอาคุณละก้องจะหยิบมาได้แรงจริง
ก็มีแฝง
อีกโทษที่ลงใส่ฟูกุนเบื่อสูงตายเมียนมาแปลงอ่อนส่วนเมียนนี่มาเจนเยี่ยวปุ่นบัวมัดใจมันอ่ะตัดต่อจอบเจียมละตุจอนงานอย่างเจียวฮันยงฟูฮันยงหลูตบรูนห้ามไว้เจียจึงกูไม่บัวต้องไปบัวน้ำปวดเมื่อโทษทุ่งเปียวจะตัดต่อเมียนแปลงอ่อนเนี่ยถือว่าก้อนถึงนะ Thank you that's all I have to say I'm not too scared. You enjoy quantity. Thank you to everyone taking your time coming to celebrate today. To my son, I am proud of the man you have. No. I'm scared. Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends. Today, me and my wife stand here. I'm scared. As proud father and mother to Kyle.
Twisted kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. Let's congratulate Cal for getting some cake on the face proper, ladies and gentlemen. And it's about time, I believe Cal and Megan would love to share this moment with Dad and Mom. Could I please get Dad Dilip Changarana and Mom Monglin Seturn please join the floor and please have a dance with Megan and Cal.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all that you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you.
Give it up for Mom and Dad, everybody. Give it up.
You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. of my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best it was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith as you believed. I'm everything I am because you left me. You were always there for me, the tender wind that carried me, light in the dark, shining your love into my life. You've been my inspiration.
One more time for Mom and Dad, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me the utmost honor to introduce to you, for the first time as husband and wife, Cal and Megan! Okay, everybody, let's go! 1, 2, 3, put them up now! Jim, Megan, and Cal, give it up! One more time, everybody stand up, let's go! 1, 2, 3, let's go! This bridal party. Ladies and gentlemen, coming in for you, we got Cal Sisters, Nadia Martinez. Here we got Uncle Sunland St. Turn, we got Brother Lolio St. Pine, and we got Jaime Mansuelo. Give it up for our bridal party, ladies and gentlemen. Give me more! Oh, I know y'all. Get louder! Get louder!
วิดีโอครับได้ตีตับที่ YouTube ผม
เป็น YouTube ตั้งจริงมีคนตายตั้งจริงโอ้ตั้งจริง
thế này là bây giờ đào tuôn đào như miền hồ tuôn đào tuôn cái đào gì đào bây giờ miền hồ rồi ô nó tuôn đào này để bây giờว่าtẩm tiêu thịt chả tè tốn ta ồ thịt chả tè thịt chả tè nào toàn cái này
Cha nói không phải là cha nè
nhưng mà ở chỗ tôi vẫn tìm dùng ấy con hổ tôi
nó lộn tôi
ừ.
nó lộn chúng ta vô khoan á đi qua rồi nó lộn mắc nói bằng cái gì
gặt năm vương nó làng có ổ na
Hello. Thank you for coming, guys.
nó tiền đau là năm bốn miền nó chỉ ta phải nào
Give him a pen. Pen? Anybody?
thế mà tề đang cái thảo ta trở như làm níu những tề nó đang cái thảo ta trở như làm níu mà nó có à ừ.
Cả phải nó tao chỉ là chắc bị sắm câu à như anh chôm
nay tôm bữa bình răng
như anh chôm mà
Tôi tao chưa uống mà.
đúng rồi
đây đây bữa thì về Nam bữa ở thượng nó thu
Wow, đi bữa rưỡi à?
rồi cái là đồ này lắm mà tao có rồi là
Có, rất nhiều rưỡi à?
ừ.
Có những xe cái túi nó mất phải.
Đây là bữa riêng cho mình hộp ra ổn thế này về nhà tuần đó ai tao nó tao phải đúng quá
Yeah.
cái tấn cô quan là bên biển hàng tại nhà nón nó phản nó hết được rồi được chưa
I don't know. Wait for one of them to Megan said yes. She said yes? Yeah, just do it. Yeah. Start doing that.
Where are my people here?
I'm not sure.
To the left.
I should went in there to put the space.
So basically, the main interaction, you'll be on this side, the people.
Where are my ushers?
There? Yeah.
Where's your hat? Nana, Martin, hat. Alive?
nó từ hồi nó về tận hàng bốn miền nó chỉ in chết ra ồ
Take it in, but don't look down.
I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Been waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding in for a while, hey. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
Let me take a picture of you. After photos.
I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding in for a while, hey. Take me with me.
Sao biết chỉ xin chỉ lại con tổng như này con nó chạy con ăn cua à hay như nó luôn nha và con cái con nhà sao mà
I thought you were gonna go up there and stand there. Bố bạn ta phải chế ồ. Ở đây dẻo. Jangan tu bay nữa. Jangan có cầm mình, can bay mình. Anh jangan vậy.
Anh ta nhóc xiết rồi đó.
Gentlemen, that concludes our first ceremony. Let's make some noise for Megan and Cal. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll have a cocktail hour. We'll have a refreshment hour starting right over by the main building, over to the side of the main building and inside the main building. Once again, we'll have a refreshment hour ready for you right by the side of the building, over on the right side. Just the immediate family, please stay behind for pictures. Everyone else, please enjoy. And we'll be starting up ceremony number 2 in about 45 minutes. I'll see you back over here very soon. Thank you.
Now you are going to husband and wife. Yes. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Matsudanaham Mangalam Pundarikacha Mangalayatano Hare Mangal Sutra. Whatever I'm telling you, understand? See, doing any type of the mistake, I did not accept, I did not explain perfectly. So she did any type of the mistake, not give to disrespect about his front of any friends, front of any committee, front of any community. You something going to become anger. You're going to house only 2, you and me. We can tell something. Me. You give to police, okay, but not. I have some self-respect. You give to self-respect front of my family and friends. Yes. Okay. This is that is the 7 one, very 7. This is the 7 one. The very important. Listen carefully. Okay, accept it to me. You did marry. Yes, you did marry, and you want to. Why you staying my right side? Why you not come my left side? Say, tell. Please tell. Why you sitting my right side? Why you did not come to my left side? You say.
Oh. Why do you sit on my right and not my left?
Okay, I will go. Say, I will go your left side.
I will go to your left side.
But I have last one.
I have one last request.
last one. Okay. Accept to me. Give to hand. Now you choose each other, but need some after one more. This is last one. This is no, this is 4. 3. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudhvaj Mangalam Pundarikacha Mangalayatano Hari Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Saranye Trambake. This is 6th one, right? So before 3, 1 more. This is 4th. Om Punandumam Devajanaha Purandu Manasariyaham Purandu Vishwa Bhutani Jata Vedaha Puri. Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakarye Vinayakam Gurum Bhanum Brahma Vinayakam Gurum Brahma Vishnu Maheswara. Om Govindaya Namaha. Om Narayana Namaha. Om Madhava Namaha. Then wash your hands. Wash your hands. Om Hasto. Yeah. Gandhadvaram Duradha. Karim. Sarabhutanam tamiho bhave sriyam. Punantu mam devajanaha punantu manasadhiyam. Punantu vishva bhutani jata vedaham. Punihima. Right. Very good. Punantu mam devajanaha. Yaham. Punantu vishva bhutani jata vedaham. Punihimam. Achamanam samarpayami gandham vishtaro.
Giang lang đâu phải đó, ồ, chúng ta chẳng bằng cái nữa. Cái chân nuôi mẹ vẫn là cái chân nuôi mẹ lo bằng là vô phải cho in đi